Good evening, folks. Get yourself some wine. We're gonna be cooking. I love this time of the day. Alright, so today we're gonna do some poblano stuffed peppers. I like me some poblanos because they have a kick to it. Got just a little kick to it, not too hot, just subtle enough. Whatever is, they pick up the good flavors, whatever you stuff them in. So ground beef, cheese, a little bit of beans, some rice, all your leftovers, put them in there. Anyway, you're gonna be with me, right? Got myself some wine. Let's cook. Alright folks, here we go. Here's what we're gonna do with the poblano. Just chop off that little stalk, cut it down the middle. There we go. Chop up the little thingy, cut it down the middle. And this is gonna be our vessel that we're gonna start with. I didn't get that right, but